Have you seen this trend going around called My Turn? Well, I love it, and I want to help you make 2025 your turn. Before we get stuck in, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss one of my videos. I've been on one hell of a growth journey in my life, and I'm at a place right now where I genuinely feel like I'm winning. And I want you to win too. I want to help you so you can knuckle down right now and make 2025 the year that makes you, or the year that is your turn. So, step number 1, decide what you want to do or to achieve or to have, and write it down. Now this could be, I want to buy a house this year, I want to be making X amount, or I want to have a partner by the end of the year. Whatever it is, write them all down. The purpose of this is to actually decide what you want to achieve. Sometimes when I write goals down, I am actually like, oh, well, do I actually want that? Do I want everything that comes along with that? And if the answer is hell yes, then that gets written down and that stays as one of my goals for the year. Really decide what you want this year to look like. While we're still in 2024, you want to actually look, okay, how would my ideal 2025 be? And maybe it doesn't turn out to be ideal, but that doesn't matter. What does the ideal scene look like for you, and how can you get yourself as close to that as possible? That is what we want to work on. Work on you so that you can have and do and be exactly what you want. The number 2 thing we are going to do to prepare for 2025 is take a look at your life and decide what is going to go. Like a butterfly shedding its chrysalis, it has to lose that nice snug little home in order to be a butterfly, in order to grow, in order to become the person that it wants to be. And that's exactly the same for you. If you want to be successful in any space, if it's in fitness or if it's in relationships or if it's in work and a career, whatever it is, something now has to go in order for that to happen. Now, it could be as simple as your old job has to go in order for you to get the one that you want, your dream job. You can't keep both. What you want to do is to be willing to lose. It's really, really tough to think about this because sometimes you're carrying stuff with you, but it's hard to carry so much with you on a journey. You don't want a large backpack carrying everything you've ever owned. Some things have to go, just like getting rid of clothes that no longer fit you, or getting rid of something that doesn't serve you anymore. Now, this can include people in your life, and be honest with yourself. Are you willing to let some people go who aren't being good for you? Maybe they're people who are in your life who always constantly put you down. Maybe your decision is to spend less time with them. You don't have to cut them out, but you need to spend less time with them. If I spend all day, every day, around people who put me down, make me feel lesser than, I am not going to be the same person after that. I am going to be so unconfident. I'm going to be so unbold and unhappy. In order to become who I am today, I have had to let people go. And sometimes it really breaks your heart because they're people that you love and cherish. But if you want to be the person that you want to be, you're going to have to spend a lot less time with them, at least. And this doesn't have to be a really sad, horrible process. It's just a growth process. It's a natural thing that comes with growth. You got to let one thing go to get something new. So be willing to lose things and decide what you are going to lose in order to get where you want to go. Number 3, we are going to set real specific targets and sub-targets for the year ahead. You've got your goals, you've got where you want to go in life and what things you want to achieve. So let's set specific targets. If you want to save up to buy a house, let's set saving targets and how much you're going to save each month. Be super specific with this. The more specific you are, the better, because then you can tell exactly where you're at throughout the year. What I want you to do right now is have a think about this, set some specific targets, could be for the end of the year, could be for half the year, and put them in the comments right now. Lock them in. Tell us what you are going to achieve and what you want to achieve in 2025. Stick it in the comments right now, come back in a year and see how you have performed. And also check out other people's goals, see where they're heading. It will be a great way for you to actually lock in what you want to achieve. Setting targets and goals doesn't actually have to be boring. It can be fun. It can be something that you're like, wow, imagine if I had that 6 months into the year. That would mean this, and this. That would be so incredible for me. I actually do this process with my husband every single year. At the beginning of the year, we set exactly what we're going to achieve that year, and we do everything we can to keep up with that and make sure we're hitting our targets by the end of the year. It's great fun, and it gives us such a strong purpose, not only as individuals, but as a team. As a team, we're working towards goals and targets. And that's what I really, really love about this. The fourth and final thing I want you guys to get started on today is taking the time to work on you. So often in life, we just let all of these things hit us. Oh, I've got this to do, I've got this to do, work, school, whatever it is. You allow these things to hit you and you just take it. And you're there standing, getting pounded with a million things. It's not what you want. You want to take some time to work on you, so that you can be the person that can handle these things when they come up. You can be the person that is confident and courageous and always able to take on a challenge. So let's take some time. This will be the real winter arc coming in. Full swing, ready for 2025. What you want to do is start setting habits now so that you can continue them throughout 2025. That is exactly what you want. So let's get started. Okay, let's work through these together. Fitness, where are you at? What are you doing right now to stay fit and healthy? Even if you're not doing it for weight loss, do it for your health. You will be more healthy if you do more cardio, if you do more exercise. How can you incorporate more of that into your life? If you're already doing some, amazing, brilliant. Do you want to step it up a notch? Where is your goal and where is your head at with how you want to do that? Another really big aspect of your health is your diet. What are you currently eating? What are you currently fueling your body with? Let's figure out a diet that works for you, and let's start it now. Start today. Clear out the cupboards, get rid of the junk, and let's become the best you there is today. The next thing you want to work on is your knowledge. You have such a beautiful mind. You are so much more capable than you realize. So let's build on this. Let's work on this. What do you want to learn in 2025? And how can you get started today? If it's a new skill, how are you going to learn it? Are you going to learn it online? What are you going to do? And what's the skill? If you need to study more to get where you want to be, then let's study more. If in one of your goals, you want to have a really strong, high position in a company, what training and what qualifications do you need to be there? Let's get working on it right now. If it's a goal, it needs to happen. And what better time to start than right now? Do this for yourself. Do this for your future self. Do this so that you can be the person that you want to be, so you can reach the goals that you want to have. Let's really, really take the time to get working on you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to make 2025 your year, then do check out the Sisterhood. It's my online community that I'm running on school. It's amazing. It will help you on your journey wherever you're at. We have lots of women there supporting women. We've got courses, meetups, everything that you will need to help you on your way. So do check it out, the link is in the description. Check out some of the other videos on my channel to help you with your growth journey. Like this video to lock in the perfect 2025, and I will see you next time.